Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to us, Channel Asterisk, your go-to spot for all things crazy, cool, and downright insane in the world of motorhomes. Today, we're talking about something that'll make your jaw hit the floor, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Yeah, you heard that right. Lamborghini didn't just stop at supercars. They went full-on baller mode and dropped a motorhome that's straight-up luxury on wheels. Buckle up, cause this ride is gonna blow your mind from the ground up. First off, let's talk about the exterior. Man, this thing is a beast. It's got that signature Lamborghini vibe, sharp lines, aggressive stance, and a color palette that screams money and power. The front end, it looks like it just rolled out of a sci-fi flick. Those LED headlights are crazy sleek, cutting through the darkness like a laser. And the grille, bro? It's got this honeycomb design that's sporty yet elegant, like it's flexing without even trying. Don't even get me started on the wheels. The rims are massive, lightweight alloys that give it that perfect combo of style and function. You're gonna turn heads everywhere you park this thing. Trust me now, step around to the back, and it's just as wild. The taillights are these horizontal streaks that scream Lamborghini DNA. And the rear diffuser makes it look like it's ready to take off, not just chill in a campsite. Plus, the exhaust tips. Yeah, they're not just for show. When you fire this baby up, the sound is like a growl straight from an Italian racetrack. Honestly, even just looking at it parked is a damn adrenaline rush. Slide on in, and the interior is where the magic really happens. Lamborghini didn't skimp here. Every inch screams high-end vibes. The cockpit is straight up like a supercar, but comfy enough to live in for weeks. Leather seats, with contrast stitching, carbon fiber accents, and a dashboard that's basically a tech wizard's dream. You've got this massive infotainment system that's touchscreen central, controlling everything from climate to entertainment. And don't worry, the steering wheel? It's got all the buttons you could ever need. Feels like you're piloting a fighter jet. Now, onto the living area. And man, this is where Lamborghini really shows off. You got plush seating that folds out into lounge in heaven, ambient lighting that sets the mood just right, and storage space that somehow keeps the whole rig feeling clean instead of cramped. The windows are panoramic, letting in insane amounts of light and giving you views that are postcard perfect for sipping your morning coffee while watching the sunrise. Or just flexing your crib on wheels to your friends. The kitchen area is next level luxury. Forget tiny camper kitchens. We're talking full-on gourmet setup, high-end appliances, a sleek countertop, and enough space to cook a full-on feast while still feeling like you're in a Lamborghini showroom. Everything's designed to be efficient, but also ridiculously stylish. It's one of those spots where you'll actually want to cook instead of grabbing drive-through on the road and the bedroom. Oh man, this is pure comfort. Memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, and storage that's smarter than some apartments I've seen. The finishing touches are insane. Soft touch surfaces, suede accents, and little details everywhere that just scream, yeah, this ain't your grandma's RV. You're living in luxury. Straight dash up. Performance is where it gets even nuttier. Lamborghini didn't just slap a body on a standard RV chassis, they went all out. This motorhome's got a powerhouse engine that makes highway cruising feel like blasting down a racetrack. Handling, surprisingly sharp for a rig this size. The suspension smooths out bumps like butter, and acceleration is quick enough to make you grin every time you hit the pedal. And the tech, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, all the fancy stuff to make long drives less of a hassle. It's like they packed a supercar's soul into a home on wheels now. I know what you're thinking, this gotta cost a fortune, right? You're not wrong, my dude. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is in that ultra-luxury price bracket, but think about what you're getting. You're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying a lifestyle. Rolling down the highway in this thing is flexing on a whole new level. Money aside, if you've ever dreamed of living the high life on the road, this is your golden ticket. To wrap it all up, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a straight-up masterpiece. From the jaw-dropping exterior and tech-laden cockpit to the plush living spaces and insane performance, this thing is the ultimate combo of style, comfort, and speed. It's not for everyone, but for those who want to live big and live fast, this is the ride that makes it happen. Every detail screams attention, every corner oozes luxury, and every mile behind the wheel feels like a VIP experience. So, there you have it. Fam, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome in all its glory. If you're all about living the road warrior dream but with style and performance that makes people stop and stare, this is the one. Honestly, it's a game changer in the world of luxury RVs. It's fast, flashy, and also fancy. Basically, the ultimate flex on wheels. Alright, that's a wrap for today's ride. If you dug this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our wild reviews. Drop a comment down below and tell me, would you cruise the country in a Lamborghini motorhome, or is it just too extra for you? Either way, stay tuned for more insane reviews, and until next time, keep it fast, keep it flashy, and keep it real. Peace out.